Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to clear cache from Mozilla Firefox. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in Firefox. Now to clear cache, first of all go to these three lines on the top right and head to settings. On settings, you'll find this magnifying glass over here. Search for cache. And you can see here is source result for cache, cookies and site data. You can see here you stored cookies, site data and cache are currently using 103 MB on your disk. That means 103 MB cache is stored in Mozilla Firefox. So to clear cache, you can see here is clear data. Click on this. So you can see here are cookies and cache. Both are selected. And now just click on this clear and again click on this clear now to delete them. And now if I refresh and go for cache, you can see here is only 139 KB used on our disk space. So in this way we can clear cache from Mozilla Firefox. So if you face any problem, let me know in the comments below. We'll be very happy to help you. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.